Hello everyone. So welcome to Abhyaas IIT Prep channel. I am Dr. Karthikeya. Today, especially in this video, we are going to discuss gravitational topic, JEE mains questions related to April shift. So in this video, we are going to discuss systematically topic-wise questions related to gravitation, starting from universal law of gravitation. So then going to the acceleration due to gravity, then going to the orbital escape velocities, and finally we'll end up we also go through the energy of satellites and potential energy, kinetic energy, total energy of the satellites, and then we are going to wind up the last topic for this in the gravitation concept is Kepler's law. Okay, so now going to the questions. So yeah, first one. So what happened? This question. So initially metal wire is there which is bent in the form of this one. So here initially length of the wire is this one. We know that in a circle, so if it is making an angle theta, this is L, this is R, L equal to R theta. So similarly here, what is the angle it is making? Semicircular arc. That means L is equal to R pi. L equal to R pi. So R is equal to L by pi. R is equal to L by pi. So you got. So how to calculate the gravitational force? So that is F is equal to G capital M small m by R square. In that L by pi, if you write, you will get G capital M small m pi square by L square. But what happens? So here, what do you want? So a particle of mass m is placed at the center of arc. That's why. So here we are taking this one. Radius is equal to L by pi. So you'll get the answer G capital M small m pi square by L square. This is the answer. So simple question only this one. So no need to worry. Only thing is you have to understand the concept how to calculate the radius. So you know in the sector L equal to R theta. So if you take the some portion theta angle, if it is subtending, it will be L equal to R equal to L by pi. So you'll get the answer very simply. Next question. So here a simple pendulum is there which is placed at a where its distance from the earth surface is equal to radius of earth. That means okay, here length of the string is given L equal to 4 meters. So what you have to find? T is equal to 2 pi into root L by G, but L is given 4 meters, G is pi square, but G dash we have to calculate. G dash is equal to G by 1 plus H by R square. So that is pi square by 1 plus H value is how much? H, where its distance from earth surface is the radius of earth. So R by R, that is what happened? Pi square by 4. So 2 pi into root of 4 by pi square by 4. So if it is goes to the top, 2 pi into 4 by pi get cancelled, you will get the value 8 seconds. So it's very simple. Okay. Now going to the next question. So in the next question, he has given that earth is considered as sphere and the body is weight is 300 newtons he has given. But how much it will weigh when it is going down to the surface with the radius R by 4. So you know G dash when it is going down, G dash is equal to G into 1 minus D by R. So directly he has given okay mg. That means if you multiply both sides, you will get the answer directly without considering. So mg is given as 300 newtons into 1 minus R by 4 by R. That is 300 into 3 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Directly you will get 75 3 is that is 225 newtons. So hardly 2 steps you are getting 4 marks. That means is it simple or not? Very, very simple. Okay. This is a chota bacha problem. Okay, another thing. 90 kg body is placed at a distance 2r from the surface. So what is the weight? So again G dash is equal to G by 1 plus H by R whole square. So but what is the height? 2r. So that is again you multiply like this. you will get the answer. So E only given 90 kg. 90 by mg is 90. So 1 plus 2r by r, that is 1 plus 2 whole square. So 90 by, okay, 1 plus 2 is 9. So what you will get? So mass is given, G is given 10. 90 kg means 9 is a mass. Okay, 90. Okay. Kg into 10 also you have to write. 90 kg is mass, G is this one, 900 by 9, that is 100. So very simple, 100 newtons. So hardly 2 lines. If you multiply like this, you will get the direct answer. Because why? We need weight, we know it, no need to write, no need to have G dash. So directly you multiply M on both sides, you will get the answer. Very short way of calculating the question, answer. Okay. So another question is given. Here what happened, it's a big question, so somewhat medium type of question. So previous things whatever we have done in this before, these questions are very easy questions. Now you have to understand. So astronaut is there here, altitude at a altitude of 318.5. if you consider, that is, we know that RE of Earth is 6400 kilometers, but what is this 318? If you consider this H is equal to RE by 20. So initially surface, if it is on the surface, what is the energy, total energy? He wanted to calculate the change in total mechanical energy, means total energy is equal to total mechanical energy is equal to potential plus kinetic. Okay. So you know total energy, initially it is only one energy is there, that is only potential energy, that is RE. Initial. Finally is TEF is equal to G capital M small m by RE, 2 into RE plus H. What is H? RE by 10. 20. So then what you will get? Minus GM M by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 20, that is 21 RE into 20. So cancelled, you will get 10. So but he wants what? Change in energy, that is TEF minus TEI. So TEF minus TEI. Okay. So then what you will get? Minus 10 by 21 G capital M small m by RE. This is G capital M small m by RE. Only change, both are negative only. So you will get minus 11 by 21. This is plus. So if it is 21 minus 10 is plus. G capital M small m by RE. Why? If you take LCM, minus 10 by 21 plus 1. So 21 minus 10 is 11. So we will get 11 answer. Very simple question. Only thing you need to understand the mathematics knowledge. You need to understand when we have to apply. So on the surface we only have potential energy because it's not moving. But when it is going out, we have total mechanical energy, that is sum of kinetic plus potential, because it's moving. Astronaut is moving, right? So this is a total energy formula. Here total energy is only potential energy, that's why I have written like that. So but here 2 capital RE. So but it is RE plus H, at that height is there, that's why I applied like this. H, if you consider, if you for easy calculation, if you write H equal to RE by 20, it's very simple. Just take LCM and get the answer. Very simple question, medium type of question, just mathematical calculations. This is very easiest question. Okay. Why? Only formulas. Kinetic energy formula, or just now I discussed potential energy, minus GMM by A. First one is this one. So direct. Next mechanical energy, just now I discussed it, minus GMM by 2A. That is, this is 4, this is 1. Remaining. So kinetic energy is equal to into 2PA. This is kinetic energy. That means 2. 2, 1, 4. 2, 1, 4. Where it is? Next one is 3. This is the option. Simple question. Escape energy means escape velocity. If you take half mv square. So for that, if you calculate, you will get that. Okay. Simple questions. No need to worry. If you know 3, you will get directly that one. That for that also, if you calculate, you will get the answer. So without any pen and paper, you directly, if you remember the formulas, if you already, these are basics, right? If you know the formula, you can directly get the 4 marks easily. So it is easiest question. So that only I have written. So I didn't write other things. Only one thing I have written, that is easiest question. For this question, Okay, now going to the next one. Here, Kepler's laws. Now going to the Kepler's laws. So, pi r square by, okay, T is equal to L by 2m1. Okay. So, if you know this formula, okay, then what you will get? So, first one is m1, m2 and moving with r1, r2. Okay, r2 square by t. Okay, L by 2 m1. Okay, another one, you know, t square is proportional to r cube. So if you try to solve these questions by these two, what you will get? So this is, I think, cube. Okay, you just try to solve. This one is t1 by t2 square is equal to r1 by r2 square cube. Okay, so you just apply here, you will get the answer, mostly C. Okay, just try to calculate this formulas using using two Kepler's laws. One is this one, angular momentum constant. Another one, this is constant, this is constant. Another one is t square is proportional to r cube, periods. So if you try to calculate, you will get the option, most probably it is C. So it's easiest question only, provided you try to do these things practically, homework. So you just try to calculate this, you will get the answer. So next one is also very simple, satellite motion. So what happened? Initially satellite is there. So that is revolving. Okay. So what happened? Gmm by r. So then what happened? Some energy is given such that it is going to new orbit. Okay. Plus 10 power of 4 r by 6 if it is going to new orbit, that is gmm by 2r. Okay. Here initially it is at initial energy is, if you are considering this one, but here 2r is there, that means minus gmm by 4r plus 10 power of 4 r by 6 is equal to minus g capital M small m by 2r is there. So this problem also very easiest only. So here g value is given, you know, g is equal to gm by r square. And what are the other things he has given? Mass is given 10 cube. So I want to convert in this way. So what I will do, minus g m by r square. That means r I am multiplying here, r I am keeping r square. So m r by 4. Okay, simple. See, here I want to keep g value, gm by r square, plus 10 power of 4 r by 6. Okay, is equal to, here also you try to convert, that is g capital M by r square into r square mr square by 2r. Okay, so then what happened? You try to keep the value of r. Gm by capital R square means what? G value 10. 10 into mass is 10 cube into r by 4 plus 10 power of 4 r by 6 is equal to, again this side also 10. Okay, so here m is 10 cube into r square, you keep like that only, by 2r. Okay, then what happened? Here you calculate this 10 into 10 cube, this side, this one also, 10 into 10 cube means 10 power of 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by r is equal to, r also cancel here, is equal to r by 2r. So 6 minus 4 is 2 by 24 is equal to r by 2r. So 2 to get cancelled, r is equal to, okay, 6r, small r is equal to 6r. Okay, this is not that. Small r is equal to 6r. So, okay, simple question only, provided if you know the basics. So, whatever I have done, most of the questions are very simple. You can easily try to solve. So, another thing, it is also based on the satellite motion. So, two satellites are going with radius, that one, speed of the velocity, okay, t square, okay, what happened? Speed of the B. Satellites means V is equal to root gm by r. Okay, root gm by r. Okay, no need of time period. Directly you got the radius. So V1. Okay, speed of VA by VB you consider, which is square root of RB by V is inversely proportional to 1 by R. If you care, take this. So it is like this. So what happened? 4R by R for that root. VA is 3 by VB. So what you will get? 6 VB equal to. So this is root 4 is 2. R get cancelled 2. 2 means. Okay, what you will get? Okay, VA RA. Okay, V square. Okay, then what will RB is given? How much? 4R. V. Okay, VA by VB. VB we want. So then what you will get? I think just check it. VA by VB. Okay, I will try to. So we have gone a little bit fast. So I will try to do from the beginning. Okay. So here what happened? Two satellites are speed only we want. V square is proportional to 1 by R, right? So then what happened? Speed of A is 3V. 3V by VB whole square is equal to RB by RA. Okay. So if you take like this is 4R, right? So if you take root 3V by VB is equal to 2. Okay, then what happened? You will get to 6V. Okay, 6V, you'll just check it. Speed of B. Okay, next one. Another thing, a satellite is moving in such a way that, so time period is given. Okay, time period is 6 hours. Okay. So another one, mass of the planet is this is this one. Okay, 1/4 of m Earth. Okay, radius we need to want. So you know T is equal to 2 pi r power 3 by 2 by root gm. Okay, so it is substitute T1 is Tp by T Earth is equal to, so r power 3 by 2. Okay, mass of the planet, radius of the planet we need. Okay, r power rp by re power 3 by 2. But what is re? 6400 kilometers. So this is T1, Tp is inversely proportional, right? The me by mp you will get. Me is what? Me is me only. MP is 1 by 4. Me. So you substitute, you will get 4. That is rp by. This is how much? How much is given? 6 by 24. 6 by 24. 1 by 4. So this is 6400 kilometers power 3 by 2. Me by 4 means you will get into 2. So then what happened? rp by 6400 kilometers power 3 by 2. So kilometers you have to, you can keep like that, 2 4s 8. Okay, you do that. So remaining things, what happened? 3 pi over, okay. For that, if you square it on both sides, rp by 6400 whole cube is equal to 64 you will get. So then cube means rp by 6400 is equal to cube root of 64 is 4. 64 into 4 how much? 6 4 is 24. Around like that you will get. Okay. So next question. Okay. So then what happened? Correct formula for the height of the satellite from the Earth's surface. We know that any satellite, if it is going like this at a height h, so it is rotating like this. This is Earth. So radius r, if it is going like this, what happened? You know mv square by r, that is centripetal force is equal to force of attraction. Okay. Okay. This is r plus h. You take re plus h. So another thing, we know that V is equal to R omega. But R, what is R? Re plus H into omega. Okay. Omega time period equal to 2 pi by omega. time period is equal to 2 pi by omega. So just replace that. So anywhere we will see that. So another thing, okay, omega you can replace is Re plus H into 2 pi by T. Okay, this one. Another thing, you know, G is equal to Gm by R square. So these three things, why I used these three things only? He has given T, he has given G, he has given R. So we need to get the height H. Okay, you just replace here. Gm by R square means, so Gm by R is there, Gr. Okay, Gm is equal to Gr square, R you write like that. Gm is equal to Gr square. M get cancelled. Okay, by Re. Okay, plus H, this one whole square, force of attraction. Re plus H, that is R only. Re plus H and R both are same. So V square how will replace? Re plus H. Re plus H whole square, 4 pi square by T square, that is V square, by Re plus H. Okay na? Re plus H, 1 Re plus H cancelled. G into Re square T square by 4 pi square is equal to Re plus H whole cube. So then what you will get? Re means R only. Okay. So then Gr square T square by 4 pi square for that whole power 1 by 3 minus Re. This is H value. Where it is? Gr square T square by 4 pi square 1 by 3 minus R. This is the option. So this is very simple only. Why I have taken this? Force of attraction equal to centripetal force. We know that the general formula V equal to R omega. Why we need to change this into time period? That's why I have used this one. Omega equal to T equal to 2 pi by omega. Omega equal to 2 pi by T. I just kept in this. So then what happened? V is equal to this one relationship. You just substitute in this. And another thing, you know, G equal to Gm by R square. R means radius of earth. You just Gm equal to Gr square. This is Gm. Mm get cancelled. Gre square. Re square. This is what? This is Re plus H. That is Re plus H only. So then what happened? Re plus H whole square divided by Re plus H. Re plus H cancelled. 4 pi square by T square. Then what happened? Gre square T square by 4 pi R square you will get Re plus H whole cube. Then power 1 by 3 minus Re. Directly you get. So hardly how many lines? 6 lines. So it is a medium type of question only. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So we have solved gravitation questions related to JEE mains question. So these are very simple only. Gravitation is very easy concept. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you once again. All the best.